Rose lost the use of her legs after an accident. Her best friend promised, "I will never leave you." But one day in the cafeteria, that friend saved every seat except one for Rose. Rose was 13 when her life changed forever. After the accident, she started using a wheelchair. Before, she ran to class and played with friends without thinking. Now, every hallway felt longer, every door felt heavier, and every small bump felt difficult. But Rose still woke up every morning, got ready, and went to school. People saw her wheelchair, but they did not see how much courage it took just to keep going. Her childhood best friend Hannah promised to stay. She held Rose's hand and said, "Nothing has changed. You are still my best friend." At first, Hannah really did stay close. She walked beside Rose, opened doors, waited near the ramp, and smiled whenever Rose felt nervous. Rose believed that even if her life had changed, their friendship had not. But slowly, Hannah changed. She started walking ahead. Then she talked with other girls while Rose followed behind. Soon, she only waved from far away. Rose noticed everything, but she stayed quiet. She did not want to beg anyone to care. So she learned to handle school alone. Every day, Rose became stronger, but her heart became quieter. One afternoon, the cafeteria was full. Rose looked around for a seat and saw Hannah sitting with a group of girls. There was space at their table. Rose felt happy for 1 second and wheeled toward them with a small smile. Hannah looked at her, then looked away. A moment later, the girls moved their bags onto the empty seats. Hannah smiled awkwardly and said, "Sorry, these seats are saved." Rose said nothing. She turned her wheelchair around and rolled to a quiet corner. If this story is touching your heart, please like this video. Subscribe to English Story Academy for more motivational English learning stories. Rose ate alone that day. The cafeteria was loud, but inside her heart, everything felt silent. She did not cry there. She waited until school ended, went home, closed her bedroom door, and finally broke down. Not because of the wheelchair, not because of the ramps or heavy doors. She cried because she had lost a friend she thought would stay. Then a soft knock came. It was her little sister, Lily. Lily was only 10. She walked in quietly and sat on the floor beside Rose's wheelchair. She did not ask too many questions. She did not tell Rose to stop crying. She just stayed. After a while, Lily looked up and said, "Maybe Hannah is scared of your new life. But that is her problem, not yours. You go to school every day. You face the halls, the doors, the bumps, and the stairs. Rose, you are the bravest person in that school." Rose looked at Lily. No big speech, no fake promise, no empty seat to protect. Lily was simply there. Rose reached down and held her hand. In that moment, she understood something important. A real friend does not move their bag when life gets hard. A real friend makes space. A real friend pulls the chair closer. Hannah had promised to stay, but Lily actually stayed. From that day, Rose stopped feeling ashamed of her wheelchair. She was not weak. She was learning a new kind of strength. Because sometimes, the bravest person is not the one who walks the fastest. Sometimes, it is the one who keeps moving, even when the world forgets to make space. If this story touched your heart, like this video and share it with someone who needs kindness today. Subscribe to English Story Academy, where every story makes you stronger, wiser, and better in English. Moral of the story: real friendship does not move its bag when life gets complicated. It makes space, pulls the chair closer, and stays.